From smart safety upgrades to clever cleaning tools and eye-catching style enhancements, these car essentials are designed to make every drive smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Whether you're boosting visibility, staying prepared for emergencies, or upgrading comfort, there's something here to level up your ride. All products links in the description section below. Long commutes, school runs, and weekend road trips all feel smoother when your essentials are right where you need them. This hanging car door cup holder keeps your coffee steady, your coins organized, and your cabin clutter-free without taking up valuable console space. It slides easily into place, holds your favorite drinks securely, and makes quick toll or drive-through stops effortless. Whether you're heading to work or cruising on a highway adventure, it's a small upgrade that makes a noticeable difference, especially at just $27.99 smart for everyday drivers. When visibility matters most, having the right warning light can make all the difference. This 2-in-1 traffic advisor light delivers powerful amber and white flashes that cut through daylight glare and nighttime darkness, helping your vehicle stand out in urgent situations. Perfect for construction work, roadside assistance, or added safety during breakdowns, it installs in minutes and offers multiple flash patterns for different needs. Reliable, bright, and built to last, it's a smart layer of protection for any truck, especially at just $27.89, dependable for peace of mind. Road trips feel different when cold drinks and fresh snacks are always within reach. This portable car fridge keeps everything perfectly chilled, or even frozen whether you're camping off-grid, tailgating with friends, or driving long hours across town. Compact yet spacious enough for 2 people, it fits neatly in your vehicle and runs on DC or AC power for total flexibility. With adjustable temperature control and easy portability, it turns any drive into a more comfortable adventure, especially at just $199.99 worth packing along. Family vacations, weekend getaways, and group road trips always seem to come with one big challenge: where to fit all the luggage. This rooftop cargo carrier instantly frees up interior space, giving everyone more room to relax while keeping bags secure and protected from the elements. With reinforced straps, an anti-slip mat, and a waterproof design, it's built for highway speeds and unexpected weather. Whether you drive a car, truck, or SUV, it's a practical travel upgrade, especially at just $79.99, ready for your next adventure. Every drive feels more connected when your dashboard works as smart as your phone. This 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen brings navigation, calls, music, and even streaming apps into one sleek touchscreen, turning daily commutes and long trips into a more enjoyable experience. With voice control, split-screen viewing, and a clear backup camera, it blends entertainment with practical safety. Installation is simple, and the Instant Wake feature keeps everything ready when you are, especially at just $119.98. Upgrade your ride today. If you love adding personality to your ride, these programmable LED devil eyes instantly turn an ordinary windshield into a head-turning statement. Perfect for night drives, car meets, holiday vibes, or even promoting a small business, they let you display animated patterns, custom text, and bold colors right from an app or remote. Flexible, bright, and easy to install, they stick smoothly and shine through different weather conditions. It's a fun way to stand out on the road, especially at just $49.79. Add bold style effortlessly. There's something empowering about understanding what's happening under your hood instead of guessing. This Bluetooth OBD to scanner turns your smartphone into a smart diagnostic tool, helping you read engine codes, monitor battery health, and even clear the check engine light right from your driveway. Perfect for DIY car owners who want to save time and avoid unnecessary shop visits. It delivers real-time data in seconds. Simple to plug in and easy to use, it puts control back in your hands, especially at just $39.99. Drive smarter every day. Keeping your eyes on the road while staying aware of your speed just makes driving feel safer and more relaxed. This compact head-up display projects clear speed data right in your line of sight, so there's no need to glance down at the dashboard. With automatic brightness adjustment and a built-in speeding alert, it adapts smoothly from sunny highways to nighttime streets. Simple USB plug-and-play setup makes it easy for almost any vehicle, especially at just $17.99. Smart visibility made simple. It's amazing how quickly small items can clutter up your car. Phones slipping between seats, receipts piling up, drinks with nowhere to sit. This seat-side organizer keeps your everyday essentials neatly tucked within arm's reach, making commutes, school runs, and road trips feel more organized and stress-free. With multiple pockets and durable waterproof fabric, it's built for daily use and easy to install in seconds. A simple upgrade that keeps your interior tidy, especially at just $9.95. Organize your ride effortlessly. No more tossing your sunglasses on the dashboard or digging through the center console when the sun suddenly gets bright. This magnetic visor holder keeps your eyewear secure, scratch-free, and always within reach, making daily drive smoother and safer. With strong on-52 magnets and easy one-handed access, it locks your glasses in place even on bumpy roads. Installation takes seconds, and it blends neatly into any interior style. It's a small detail that makes a big difference, especially at just $13.99. Keep your shade secure. Winter roads can change in seconds, and having reliable traction makes all the difference when snow and ice take over. These snow chains are designed for a secure, precise fit, helping your tires grip confidently on slippery surfaces. With automatic tensioning and wheel protection features, they're built to stay centered without constant readjustment. Ideal for mountain trips, snowy commutes, or unexpected weather shifts, they add serious peace of mind when conditions get tough, especially at just $129.99. Stay prepared this winter. Long drives with kids in the back seat are a lot easier when everyone stays entertained and comfortable. This adjustable headrest tablet holder keeps screens at the perfect eye level, reducing neck strain while making movies, games, and learning apps more enjoyable on the road. The sturdy metal crossbar and extension arm add stability, even on bumpy rides, and installation takes just seconds. Whether it's a quick trip across town or a full road adventure, it's a smart travel essential, especially at just $17.99. Keep back seat smiles going. Running low on battery during a drive is never convenient, especially when everyone in the car needs a charge. This 4-in-1 retractable car charger keeps things simple with built-in cables and extra USB ports, so no one has to fight over power. Fast charging support means less waiting and more moving, whether you're commuting, road tripping, or navigating with GPS. The retractable design also keeps your dashboard neat and tangle-free. It's a practical upgrade for modern drivers, especially at just $24.99. Power up with ease. Opening your car door at night feels a lot more dramatic when the ground lights up with bold angel wing projections. These LED welcome lights add a stylish glow that instantly upgrades your vehicle's presence, whether you're pulling into a parking lot, heading to an evening event, or simply enjoying a night drive. Designed for universal fit and long-lasting clarity, they bring personality and flair to almost any car. It's a creative way to stand out after dark, especially at just $39.99. Transform your entrance instantly. Refreshing your car's interior can completely change how every drive feels. These Napa leather seat covers add a sleek, modern look while protecting your original seats from spills, stains, pet hair, and daily wear. The breathable design and soft cushioning make commutes and long trips noticeably more comfortable, while the universal fit keeps installation straightforward. Whether you're upgrading your style or preserving resale value, it's a practical and stylish investment, especially at just $161.85. Elevate your interior effortlessly. Upgrading your daily drive isn't just about comfort, it's about confidence. With this smart rear mirror camera, you get crystal clear 4,000 front and 108 OP rear recording, a wide 170 view, and seamless touchscreen control that feels natural every time you get behind the wheel. From busy city traffic to late-night highway trips, features like WDR night vision, GPS tracking, and loop recording quietly protect you in the background. It's the kind of upgrade you'll appreciate every single drive, especially at just $110.49. Drive smarter every day. Weekend cleaning doesn't have to mean hours of scrubbing under the sun. With this pressure washer water broom, you can glide across driveways, sidewalks, patios, and garage floors in smooth, even passes. The 11-inch cleaning path clears dirt fast, while the Quick Connect system makes setup simple and stress-free. It's perfect for keeping your home exterior fresh without the extra effort. If you already own a compatible gas pressure washer, this tool just makes sense, especially at only $44.48. Upgrade your cleaning routine today. A flat tire can instantly turn a smooth drive into a stressful delay, especially when you're far from help. Keeping this emergency tire repair inflator in your trunk gives you quick peace of mind. In just minutes, it seals small punctures and adds enough air to get you safely back on the road. No jack, tools, or spare required. It's compact, eco-friendly, and perfect for everyday drivers who like to stay prepared. Smart drivers don't wait for trouble. Grab yours now for just $14.77. Stay prepared everywhere you go. Driving feels different when you can truly see what's around you. This panoramic convex rearview mirror expands your field of vision, reducing blind spots and making lane changes, reversing, and even checking on backseat passengers much easier. The high-definition glass delivers clear, distortion-free images, while the simple clip-on design installs in seconds. No tools needed. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway, that extra visibility brings real peace of mind. It's a small upgrade that makes a big difference, especially at just $15.99. Upgrade your visibility with confidence. When you're on the move, keeping valuables secure shouldn't feel complicated. This removable slide headrest safe blends seamlessly into your vehicle while giving you discreet, reliable storage right where you need it. Designed as a true automotive component, it installs without bolts or major modifications and offers 3 access options for quick entry. Whether you're commuting daily or traveling long distance, it adds an extra layer of confidence and organization to your ride. It's a smart security upgrade that travels with you. Available now for $399. Protect what matters most today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for more amazing car tech, woodwork, and smart gadget finds. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments below.